What's up, besties? I'm back with another YouTube video, and it's really no shade. Shout out to Cinyola Hair for sending me the bust down. They sent me 4 bundles of their raw straight hair. I had 22, 22, 20, and 20, and I used all 4 bundles for this install. I did a quick weave side part. This is my niece Boona. She wanted a deep side part. Real ghetto, real fun, but real cute. And we was gonna do curls, but the hair was so cute straight that we just had to leave it straight, no shade. Y'all gonna see. As you can see, my niece has a lot of hair. Boona got hair on top of hair on top of hair. She used to have more hair than this, but she actually suffered from a little bit of postpartum hair loss. So her hair's growing back. We're trying to get it back full. So I didn't want to do too much heat with this leave out, but no shade, the hair is heat trained, so I did my big one. I sectioned out my leave out, and then I went in and I did inner braids. When you do inner braids, you don't have to do small braids. You can do like 4 or 5 braids and it still be flat, no shade. So get into those inner braids instead of those regular outer braids that most girls do. Once I'm done with my braids, I go in and I add my paper strips, barber strips, whatever you want to call it, and my cap, and then I sew the edges down so that way I don't have to use a bunch of glue and the sticky stuff to get my bald cap. I can just literally sew it down and it come off like a wig when my girls are ready to take their hair off, and they can reuse them if they want to. So I like the paper method better than the wet sealed cap method. Y'all be using that stuff. I hate it. It's too much. I glue the tracks down and then I spray it with spritz. Yes, that is spritz. It's just my bottle messed up, so I had to put my spritz in a whole new bottle, but it was spritz, no shade. And I stacked them tracks in the front because I wanted my bang area to sit. Like, I love the way I did the side part. I'm going to do all my side parts like this now, and it's just no shade, period. Now, this product is tea la la. Like, I had it for a while, but I never used it because I didn't think it would work on my 4C girls, like just my black clients in general. But this Wow Extra Strength water resistant waterproof spray, it works because I literally jumped her leave out, and then we went outside. It was humid. Her leave out didn't flinch. So y'all, I'm not gassing this product up. They're not paying me or nothing. I'm just saying, like, that Wow Extra Strength, if you in your leave out era and it's summer and it's hot, try that out, because I'm telling you, that product works really good. I sprayed it a few times and then I blew the hair out, pressed it out, did the roots, and it was really no shade. I like to grab small sections of the leave out when I'm flat ironing because I don't want it to be kind of straight and not really straight at the root. So I go piece by piece by piece. I really don't play. I hot comb. I use my mini flat iron and my regular flat iron just so everything could be laid. And when it comes to a leave out, edge control is back in style. I don't know why I used to hate edge control, but now I love it. And less is more. The less you use, the better the outcome. Like, as long as you press them edges out first, you do not need a lot of product to lay it. No shade. At first, I put the pins there just so I can finish spraying the leave out and making it like mold and set so that way the hair stay where it's supposed to stay. Because sometimes when you get your hair so straight, it be everywhere. So I use the pins to like keep the leave out in place and kind of train it to sit there. But it ended up being like a cute little style. They always want to take my little pins home, baby. You can't have these pins. You got to bring your own pins. No shade. But shout out to Cinyola. I absolutely love the way this look came out. Make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I will be posting more tutorials. I know I ain't really been on my bully like that, but I've been posting my shorts, be fair. Shout out to all my subscribers in my SBM gang. But we're going harder and harder the rest of this year because I know the first half of the year I was a little slow, but it's definitely giving YouTubers. Shout out to Cinyola Hair. All the info for these bundles will be in the description box. Make sure you follow my girl Boona on Instagram. I will put her info in the description as well. Bye, y'all.